Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we have an informative video specially designed for all the amazing individuals out there who are living with diabetes. If you're looking for meal prep ideas that are diabetes friendly, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll be providing you with a step-by-step guide on how to prepare a week's worth of delicious and nutritious meals. So, let's get started. Before we dive into the meal prep process, let's quickly go over the importance of planning and preparing diabetes-friendly meals. By having your meals ready in advance, you can take control of your nutrition, save time, and make healthier choices throughout the week. Plus, it's a great way to ensure you're getting the right balance of nutrients without any unnecessary stress. To begin, you'll need a meal plan for the week. This will help you stay organized and ensure you have a variety of meals that are suitable for your diabetes management. You can consult with a registered dietitian or use online resources to create a personalized meal plan that suits your dietary needs and preferences. Now, let's move on to the actual meal prep. It's important to include a good mix of lean proteins, healthy fats, and complex carbohydrates in your meals. This will help keep your blood sugar levels stable and provide you with sustained energy throughout the day. Investing in some good quality meal prep containers will make your life much easier. Choose containers that are portion-sized and have compartments to keep different food groups separate. This will help you maintain the right balance in your meals. For our protein source, we'll be preparing some delicious grilled chicken. Chicken is a lean and versatile protein option that can be used in various dishes throughout the week. You can marinate it with herbs and spices of your choice to add flavor without adding unnecessary salt or sugar. Next, we'll be preparing a colorful vegetable stir-fry. Vegetables are packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and fiber, making them an excellent choice for diabetics. You can use a variety of vegetables like bell peppers, broccoli, carrots, and zucchini. Stir-frying them in a small amount of olive oil will help retain their nutrients and enhance the flavors. Now let's focus on our complex carbohydrates. Whole grains like quinoa, brown rice, or whole wheat pasta are great options. They provide fiber and take longer to digest, which can help regulate blood sugar levels. Today, we'll be cooking a fluffy quinoa dish that can be used as a base for many meals. Once all the components are ready, it's time to assemble your meals. Divide your protein, vegetables, and grains into the portion-sized compartments of your meal prep containers. This not only helps with portion control, but also makes it easier to grab a well-balanced meal on the go. And there you have it. A week's worth of diabetes-friendly meals prepared and ready to go. Remember, meal prepping is all about customization. Feel free to swap ingredients, experiment with flavors, and make it enjoyable for your taste buds. I hope you found this diabetes-friendly meal prep guide helpful and inspiring. By taking the time to plan and prepare your meals, you're taking a proactive step in managing your diabetes and overall health. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future content. As always, we'd love to hear from you. If you have any questions, suggestions, or meal prep ideas of your own, please leave them in the comments section below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay healthy and take care.